Okay. Thank you, Sir Alan. Salamat Paras. Sir, unwavering commitment to excellence. Let's give a round of applause to everyone, please. Especially to our HR department, operation department, and our training department. This year, El Party and recognition. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Energy, please. Teams and individuals who have gone above and beyond. Okay. Can we call on Mr. Ahmad Paras in front for the...
Warm welcome to the our operation director, HR director, training. First time we are doing this celebration, and this is a big honor for the new members also, and it's a big honor for us, like this opportunity. It's the Happy New Year and awarding ceremony. Warm welcome to everyone. Inshallah, we will continue every year.
Thank you, Sir Ahmad Paras. Can I have the presence of our operation director in front?